down to 18 hertz with authority. Very good job. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Just more professional.
Oh, it's too loud anyway.
Yeah. Awesome.
What's happening?
What's up, man? What's your name and what's in here?
All right, Chaz Smith from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. We have 4 PSI Platform 5 18s and a 6th order. The tuning is, it's 18 cubes in the bottom,
Okay.
25 cubes in the top. It's tuned to 22 hertz in the bottom and right around 44 hertz in the top.
Nice.
Right now I have 4 Teraamps MD8000s. They're running at 1.4 ohms, so only clamping about 3,000 watts to each sub right now.
Okay. And these subs are rated at 4,500? 4,500.
It's
Wow.
a 4-inch coil in there.
Very nice.
And it's got the electrical. I have just for now 320 CES.
Okay.
Multiple runs of 1/0, and I would run a 4/0 running to the back
Yes, sir.
to a Yinlong bank. It's 270 amp hour.
Okay.
So
Awesome. Hello everyone, this is Jake Cavallo. I hope you enjoyed Chaz's full walk around of his system. This was at the Ruckus and Chill Show in Fayetteville, North Carolina of 2021. Be sure to give him a thumbs up as well as let him know what you think about his system by commenting something positive. Really impressive job he's done to get this system as loud and windy as it has. It is literally breaking the door, and I've got 3 or 4 people that came into the vehicle. I got some system demo reactions that you'll get to see in the video as well. So you got to stay tuned. Really looking forward to showing you how it sounds. He plays down to 18 hertz on the song that he's going to play. So shout out to you, man. Structural Damage on YouTube. I appreciate you giving me a demo. Great job. Really like the long ports he has in the back of his chamber for his 6th order. The 4 18-inch subwoofers. The back chamber underneath the subs is where his rear chamber is, and those long ports in the back really help optimize for that low tuning. So really good job. So go ahead and enjoy the demo, everybody. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man. This window down or?
yeah.
Okay. authority. Very good job.
Below those. Yep.
Thank you very much. What was your name again?
Chaz Smith from Pittsburgh.
Jazz. Awesome. Thank you very much, man. Nice to meet you. Woo. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeOfVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.